Welcome back to Recreational Garage. Haven't made it out to the garage much in the last couple weeks. Been working on some house project stuff, but trying to get out here and wrap up a few little things that need to be done on the rear suspension before I can get it wrapped up to be ready to figure out the coilovers. So first bit here, you can kind of hopefully see my marks as to where the plate goes for the upper control arm bits. I have to put these seatbelt tie downs, like the seatbelt mounting pieces, back in. As part of the wheel tubs, you got to move them to the inside of the frame rail because they used to be out here and, well, they don't fit there anymore. So we have to do that and see if that's going to interfere with those upper control arm brackets or not. So I'm going to mess around with that. And then for these lower torque boxes here, there's a couple of holes in there. And what the instructions say is to drill through those holes through the floor pan, and then on top of the floor pan you put this plate, drill the holes through it, bolt that whole thing together, sandwiching the floor and everything together. And then once those are tight, you weld this into the floor up above, leaving the bolts in place to help tie it in. Partly I want to do that just to help try to fill some of these gaps where it's a little bit loose on the floor pan to my spacer bit here. So that's the other piece we need to do, and then there's just a bunch of welding that needs to happen. So I'm going to mess around with this and see how far I can get, see if we can figure out the best placement for the seatbelt tie downs, and see if we can't drill these holes through the lower torque boxes here. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get to it, see what we can get done. All right, got a little bit of progress this week. Got these plates drilled out and bolted in. That'll give it some more support, tying it into the floor. Those still have to be welded in, but they got to come back out for some cleanup. It's a little too late tonight for messing with that. I did get some of the welding done I wanted on this. I'm not going to show it to you because it is ugly. It was really tight to get the welder in there and everything, but I got some of these inside bits welded up just to try to help add some more strength. And then down under here you can see the bolts sticking through, and then I got some more welded up here, up along the floor pan all the way around where I could. A couple spots I still need to be able to hammer it through, and then it will be good to go. Anyway, made a little bit more progress. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.